What's up, everybody? This is Tim from LiveCaseBreak.com. We're here with our second break in our 2013 Museum Collection Football 4-break tournament. See the leaderboard on the right-hand side. Jeremy B with 14, Chad D with 13, Tanner and Dave tied with 6, and Whitney with 5. This is Tour 6-box Museum Collection Football 2013 break number 2. We have Bob P with the Patriots, Rick with the Raiders, Dave B Cardinals and Bengals, Jason Texans, Tyrell Chargers, Lenny Steelers, Whitney Vikings and Broncos, Justin W with the Lions, Chad D Dolphins, Bucks and Jags, Eston with the Cowboys and Giants, Jacob Titans, Charles Chiefs and Seahawks, Danny Rams, James T Packers, Michael Redskins, Zach Saints, Jeremy B Niners, Greg N with the Bills, Dave B Panthers, Jeff M Eagles, Zach Browns, Tanner Falcons, Brett Ravens, Jeremy B Jets, and Kyle S has the Bears. The Bears. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Again, cases 3 and 4, guys. We announced earlier in the night we were rescheduling those to Tuesday. We're going to do them tomorrow night. I'm going to find a way to get a case tomorrow, whatever I have to do. So we're going to do that tomorrow night. Triple Threads Baseball will probably be pushed to next Tuesday. So that is the plan of action. Okay, so here we go. Good luck, everybody. I assume there are no trades or anything. I didn't see anybody post in the room. Seal does not want to break. Yeah, I'm going to do the rest of the prospect tomorrow afternoon. I will have those 2 boxes in. We've had some pretty bad shipping delays, guys, so thanks for bearing with us. Yeah, Baez, you said you met us there, right? Met us at the National? Whitney, the rest of prospect will be probably early in the afternoon. Well, not early, mid-afternoon to late afternoon, I would say. But yeah, that'll be definitely tomorrow. Cool. Greg, you were at Chicago last year? Did you meet us there? I couldn't remember. UPS happened to come rain, sleet, or snow, Jeremy. No, UPS failed. Yeah, not USPS. Actually, this time around with Museum, it was a distributor fail. We got caught on allocation. We weren't notified till the last minute. So. Yeah, true. You're killing it on Twitter tonight, man. As I said, with new stuff, we gotta get them up. That's what happens. We get a couple retweets here. There we go. Okay, everybody, break number 2. Last museum for tonight. We will have another case for tomorrow. Note. Yeah, the boxes are very, very decorative. Everyone's got their teams. Good luck, guys. 6-box break number 2. See what's hiding on this other side. We had no Geno, no Eddie Lacy, no EJ, no Giovanni in the first half, so none of the top rookies. No Tavon, so there's got to be one hiding on this side. Okay, Andre Johnson, orange. Get these to focus for you guys. Hold on just a second. There we go. Andre Johnson, Marshawn Lynch, Jamal Charles, Kurt Warner, and Tyler Eifert. We're down just a little bit. First hit. Upside down, Tamba Hali for the Chiefs. 18 out of 50. Pro Bowl relic. That is pretty cool. I didn't catch that first half. Jeremy, I think you said that. Somebody said it. So the relic containing this card from the 2013 Pro Bowl. So that was pretty cool. So out of 50 for the Chiefs, we got some scoring points here. That's a 3-point card. The Chiefs are owned by Charles. So Charles, 3 points for you. Those are your first 3 of the tournament. 3 points for Charles. Good start. Okay. Gio Bernard, rookie card, orange. Reggie Wayne. Doug Martin. And Phillip Rivers in the auto. Out of 55, Golden Tate for the Seattle Seahawks. Nice vet auto there. Seattle Seahawks, Charles A. with the Seahawks. So Charles, 2 for 2 so far. 2 for 2. Golden Tate. Skinny pack first here. Charles is sweeping the box so far. Okay, quad relic coming here. Matt Barkley, orange. Matt Ryan, Russell, and Canvas Collection, Colin Kaepernick with the 49ers. That was the reprint, not the original. I'd love to see one of the originals of that. Colin Kaepernick, Canvas Collection's original, and bottom card is this way. Quad relic of Matt Barkley for the Eagles. Sick patch on that one. 43 out of 50. Triple color patch. Very nice card. So the Eagles score themselves 3 points. The Eagles are Jeff. So Jeff, first 3 points of the tourney. All right. Congrats, Jeff. Very nice Matt Barkley right there. Yeah, that is triple color. I thought it might be black and green in the top left. Not quite, though. Okay, next pack. Okay, Robert Woods blue. 82 out of 99. Robert Woods blue. We got a Bell, Welker, and Kuechly. This autos, so we know which way to go. This way. Okay. Get this to focus. Plain, right? 19 out of 50, and boom, EJ Manuel. There's our first big rookie hit. 19 out of 50, EJ Manuel, triple color patch, auto, triple relic. Buffalo Bills, Greg, big hit for you, buddy. Congrats. That is going to get you 1 point plus 2 plus 2, 5-point card for Greg. Greg, you are up to 8. That is good enough for 3rd place. Nice hit for Greg. The scoreboard over there. There goes the scoreboard. I'll have to grab that. Yeah, the patches are great. Nice EJ, though. 19 out of 50, triple color. Beautiful. Sweet stuff. Greg, if you're selling that, let me know, and we will put that up immediately on eBay. We want to get the new stuff up first, so. Yep. Okay, next box. We'll go on the right-hand side here. Does your cat approve, Lizzie? Good deal. Man, this stuff is easily the best football product of the year. I don't think there's any arguing that. Just based on tonight, of course, but we'll see. Is True still in the room, or did True have to go to bed here? Let's see. All right, True. Let me know when you get that EJ tweeted. I don't know if you get that retweeted. Sick EJ Manuel. Okay, Brandon Marshall. Orange for the Bears. Willis. Bo Jackson. And Robert Woods. Wow. Holy crap. Look at this card. True, did you get... Okay, cool. There you are. Get ready to tweet this monster. Tamba Hali Pro Bowl patch. Oh my god, that is sick. 4 out of 25 for the Chiefs. Charles, my man. 4 points again for Charles. Charles, you're up to 7 now. Oh yeah, I forgot True's school is canceled. That is unreal. I thought it was going to be a 101. That is just beautiful, though. All right, sweet, True. Get the retweet going on here. There we go. Yeah, that is nice. We're going to have to get more of this stuff, huh, guys? It's not late night, no. True swore. All right, 4 out of 25 for the Chiefs. Unbelievable. Okay. Next pack. Stuff continues to amaze. Okay, upside down, Marshall Faulk orange for the Rams. Let me get that to focus. There we go. AJ Green, Tony Romo, and Zach Ertz. And auto out of 25, gold, Marquise Goodwin for the Bills. Marquise Goodwin for the Bills. Greg, I have no idea, man. With the new stuff, it's hard to predict. If you're planning on selling it, tell me, and I will literally post it. I can get it posted either tonight or tomorrow. I would do a one-day auction on it. Same thing with this Goodwin. Because when stuff's new is when it sells the best. So if you do want to sell them, let me know, and I'll get them up immediately. So Goodwin for the Bills, 9 out of 25. With new stuff, like I said, it's always important to get it up the first week. That's when you're going to get max money. That EJ could be anywhere from $50 to $100, Greg. That's my guess. Anywhere from 50 to 100. Possibly more if no others pop up. MJD for the Jags. Ronnie Lott. Cam Newton. And Canvas Collection. Marshall Faulk for the Rams. Beautiful. And bottom card, Ryan Nassib for the Giants. Another patch. 31 out of 50. Giants. That's a 3-point card for Eston. So, Eston, your first points in the tournament. 3 points for you. New York Giants. 31 out of 50. Let me get that to focus. There we go. Beautiful 2-color action on the Nassib. You got another 4 points for the Marquise, Greg. So you are at 15 now for the tournament. So another 4 points. I forgot to announce that. Sorry, I wrote it down and forgot to announce it. I don't know if that goes bad or not. I have no idea. Honestly, no idea. Okay, here we go. Not even a scoop? We'll have to get you a scoop at least. Okay, next hit. JPP for the Giants out of 99, blue. That is 19 out of 99. Julio Jones, Joseph Randle, and Joe Montana. Bottom card. Wow, beautiful Kenny Stills. 10 out of 25 for the Saints. So New Orleans Saints, that is a 6-point card for the Saints. Zach A. 6 points. Mark you down. 2 points for being under 25, 2 points for auto, 2 points for relic. Zach A. Kenny Stills, 10 out of 25. I got a bunch of PMs. Let me check real quick here. Tanner, I'm not sure. All right, sweet, true. Let me get those retweeted. Tanner, was it with me or was it with Larry? I may not have it yet. Tanner, just shoot me. Tanner, if you can, shoot me an email and I will reply by tomorrow morning. And I'll let you know how that works. Yeah, I'll have something else tonight. We'll throw together some random stuff after this museum football. What up, Vince? Didn't even see you, buddy. Vince the Carpenter. That's my new nickname for you. All right. Here we go. We've got Cameron Wake for the Fins. Orange. Alden Smith. Stephen Taylor and Dickerson. Looks like this is our jumbo relic. It is upside down too. Earl Thomas, Seattle Seahawks out of 75 from the Pro Bowl. Jumbo relic. Lurking. So Earl Thomas for the Seahawks. Charles A. That's all you. Nice jumbo jersey relic from the Pro Bowl there. That's true, Vince. That is true. Greg, you got 4 points for the good one. It was out of 25 and autoed, so 4 points. Okay, Alden Smith, orange for the Niners. Cordarrelle Patterson, Quentin Patton, and Andrew Luck. Nice short print. Damn, that's a sweet card. I haven't seen Reggie sign in a few years. 17 out of 55, Reggie Bush. For the Detroit Lions. Now I know why you bought the Lions, Justin. Reggie Bush. Nice. 17 out of 55. That is Justin W. Nice Reggie auto. All right. Another veteran. Boy, lots of vets. Okay, Deion Sanders, Ruby. There's our first Ruby of this side. That is a 50 out of 50, so that will score the Falcons some points. 50 out of 50, 1 point. 1 point for the Falcons for Tanner. So Tanner, you're up to 7 now. 50 out of 50, Deion Sanders, Ruby. Nice. Well played, Lizzie. Well played. Brett Favre, Marcus Wheaton, and Brandon Marshall. And sideways. Oh boy, this team is just spanking everybody. CJ Spiller, no patch, but at least 2 different colors. Good stuff. Dual relic out of 25, CJ Spiller. That's another 6-point card. Greg is starting to take the lead here. Greg, you have 11 plus 10. Greg, you're up to 21 points now. So, Greg, 21 points. CJ Spiller for the Bills, and the Bills are totally wrecking this break now. 3 hits, all out of 25. Well, the EJ was out of 49, I believe. Beautiful. Let me get those retweets for you, True. Got it, True. And I also just retweeted the Reggie Bush. Beautiful. All right, next pack. I told you guys, Bills or Jets. Neither one hit in the first, so one of them had to. T. Rich in a Colts uniform. Get that to focus here. So T. Rich, Monty Ball, Palomalu, Canvas Collection. I'm not sure who that is. Is it Tavon? Yes, it is. Tavon Austin. Wrecking it like a bill in a china shop. Nice, Vince. Well played. Well played. Canvas Collection, Tavon for the Rams and the hit. Gio Bernard for the Bengals. Nice. Lots of color on that. 3 different colors and a patch in the top left out of 75 on the Bengal stripes. So Gio Bernard for Dave B. Richardson base cards go to the Colts, Zach. Richardson had relics earlier that were for the Browns. He was in a Browns uniform. So he's technically on both teams. We go by whatever team is on the card. So if it's a hit, if it's got a relic, it's going to be a Browns card. But his looks like his base card is a Colt. Okay. Next box. Yep, no problem, man. Gio. No worries, True. All right, let me retweet that CJ. All right. Next box, we have Monty Ball for the Broncos, orange. Let me get this to focus here. Come on now. There we go, Monty Ball, orange. Eli Manning, Terrence Williams, and Sam Bradford. In the hit, Tavon Austin, out of 50. 3-point card for the Rams. Danny with 3 points. You're up to 7 for the whole tournament. So 30 out of 50, Tavon Austin. Jumbo Ruck. That one is not from the Pro Bowl. Okay, let's do the skinny pack first here. Hump day. Is that what you were going for, I imagine? All right, we got a quad. DeAndre Hopkins, orange. MJD. Kurt Warner in a... Wow, these canvases are so nice. Look at that card. Andrew Luck Canvas Collection. Beautiful. That is obviously the reprint version. Andrew Luck. And we have a quad. EJ Manuel, Geno Smith, Andrew Luck, and RG3. 9 of 50. Greg, there's 4 breaks total. I'm going to do the other 2 tomorrow night. We're not going to wait till next Tuesday. So 9 out of 50. This card, be a nasty tiebreaker here. Let's see. The Bills are Greg. The Colts are Dirt. The Redskins are Michael E. Michael E., you have 1 team, so it all comes down to the Jets. The Jets are Jeremy B., and Jeremy has 2 teams, so he takes that tiebreaker. So Jeremy B., that is you, and that's out of 50, so that's a 3-point card for you, Jeremy. Mark that down. All right, Jeremy B. There you go. So Geno, EJ, Luck, and RG3 went all the way down to the end. Okay, next pack. Who am I pulling? Oh, Steady B. Gotcha. All right, there's another Ruby. Doug Martin out of 50. Boy, very low numbered stuff here. Doug Martin, 3 out of 50. We haven't had a card numbered higher than 99. Except for base in the orange. So 3 out of 50, Doug Martin. Darrelle Revis for the Bucks. Vance McDonald and Peyton for the Broncos. Okay, the auto is Justin Hunter for the Titans. Short print, 16 out of 50. No rims other than the Tavon. Nope. You had a museum, you had a canvas collection, Tavon, I believe. So Titans, Jacob W. That's a 3-point card for Jacob W. So you have 6 points now in the tournament, Jacob. Justin Hunter, 16 out of 50. And next. We have not pulled an emerald. Nope. We've pulled a ton of rubies, no emerald. Calvin Johnson, Megatron, orange. We get that focus. Calvin Johnson, EJ Manuel, Drew Brees, and Deion Sanders. The hit, Lamar Miller, another gorgeous card. Miami Dolphins out of 25, triple color patch in the top left. So the Finns, Chad D, Lamar Miller. Chad D tacks on 6 points. 2 for out of 25. We got a patch and an auto. Chad D, 6 points. Tight race at the top between Jeremy, Greg, and Chad right now. So Lamar Miller, 21 out of 25. And then there were 8. 8 minis. Yep, there we go. This is easily, yeah, this is already product of the year. Oh yeah. Sorry, Chad, you get a point for that, Doug Martin. I forgot about that. Yep. Let me grab that. Yes, Doug Martin, Buccaneers, 1 point for Chad. Mark that down. That's very important. There we go. Smelling that skunk? Another ruby. Boy, these rubies are crazy. Okay, Julio Jones is the ruby this time. Another 1-point card for the Falcons. 15 out of 50 for Atlanta. Tanner B, that's all you. So Tanner, another 1-point card for the Falcons. 15 out of 50. Aaron Rodgers, Geno Smith, and CJ Spiller, the hit. Wow. 1 of 1. Emerald Torrey Smith. That is unreal. Game used, guys. Baltimore Ravens, Emerald 101. Brett J, you just scored, man. Brett J, 17 points for you. Let me mark you down. Random team, too. 101 Emerald. That is just crazy nice. 4-color patch. See if that was game used or Pro Bowl. Game used. Okay, authentic game used. Unbelievable. That is a sick patch. Yeah. Yeah, Chris, you called it right out. So Brett J, 17 points, 15 for the 101, plus 2 for the patch. That is unbelievably nice card. Let me get these retweets true. Damn, guys, this is some crazy stuff. Yeah, I bet that woke you up. Yeah, for sure. Okay, Torrey Smith, 101 Emerald. Beautiful. Okay. See, maybe we can end it on a laundry tag, guys. Maybe we can do that. I don't know. We'll see. Uh-oh, we got a short print that somebody was calling earlier. Matthew Stafford, orange. Chris Johnson, J.J. Watt, and Manti Te'o, the hit. Matt Forte for the Chicago Bears. And this is kind of weird. The number is on the back. That's the first card I've seen with the number on the back. 22 out of 25 on the back on the Forte. Awesome auto, though. So Chicago, Kyle S. Kyle S. I believe Kyle, when he hit the Bears, said something about them not having anything. He looked at the checklist or something, and there wasn't much. Or no, that was the Browns owner. It wasn't the Bears. All right, congrats, Kyle. Out of 25, Matt Forte, short print. That is 4 points for you, Kyle. You had 3 before, so you're up to 7 now. Awesome. Yeah, the Browns got their hit last time, or last break. So again, 22 out of 25, and that's on the back. What number is Forte? Looks like a 2. Is he 32 or 22? That might be a jersey number. Not sure. Mojo is Tim's Forte. I like that. That's well played, too. We got a redemption. All right, Doug Martin, orange. Jonathan Franklin for the Packers. Get that to focus here. Hold on. There we go. Franklin for the Pack. Niall Davis. Von Miller. Signature swatches. Triple relic autograph. Gold. I have no idea what that's going to be numbered out of. Mike Williams. Mike Williams. Mike Williams. Yeah. Wow, so that Forte is jersey number. That is awesome. Mike Williams has got to be Buccaneers, or did he get traded? Mike Williams. Someone look that up. We'll go by whatever his base card is, or whoever he played for last year. I can't remember. I want to say Buccaneers, but did he get traded? For some reason, I thought he got traded to the Steelers. I have no idea why. So this is out of 25. Okay. Buccaneers. That's what I thought. Okay, Tampa Bay. I thought gold was out of 25, yeah. That's what I thought. That would be like, let me see if I can find one that we hit. That would be, no, that's a dual. That's not a triple. That would be like the EJ we hit. That's the EJ, that's the base. Or that's the bronze. So yeah, gold's out of 25. Yep. All right, cool. Out of 25 for the Bucks. So that is going to be a 6-point card. Buccaneers, who has them? Chad D has them. Another 6 points for Chad. Killing it. Buccaneers. Let me mark that on there. Okay. Yeah, the Stills was out of 25 too, yep. Very true. Nope. Flip that over. Okay, Jamal Charles, blue out of 99. Alfred Morris, Colin Kaepernick. We have a canvas collection, Andre Johnson reproduction. So Andre Johnson in the hit. Stephan Taylor for the Cardinals, quad. Let me get those retweeted true. Hold on a second. Oh, that Torrey Smith is just unbelievable. Sweet Forte, too. Jersey number Forte, too. Excellent job, True. Got him. Okay, out of 75, Stephan Taylor. And our last 4 minis. Last 4 minis, guys. We're going to find a case for tomorrow night and do 3 and 4. We're not going to do them next week. So, no, I was thinking of somebody else on Pittsburgh. I don't know who I was thinking of. I have no idea. For some reason I thought he played on Pittsburgh. I don't know why. Okay, Darrelle Revis, orange. Joe Flacco, Marshall Faulk, Bo Jackson, and a jumbo Geno Smith out of 75 for the Jets. 15 out of 75 on the Geno for the Jets. So Jeremy B with that card. Jeremy B. That's true, Jeremy. Mike Wallace. That's what I was thinking of. Yes, I just had the wrong name in my head. That's what I was thinking of. All right. I'm not going crazy. It was similar names, at least. Close enough. All right. Bradford Blue, Aikman, Robert Woods, and Tony Romo. Get this to focus here. And right after that Geno Smith, we pull the Geno Smith 5 of 75. Gold parallel. Look at that autograph. That is beautiful. I mean, come on. That is a gorgeous big signature. Jeremy B, man. More points for you. 4 points more to be exact. Jeremy, 4 more points. Congratulations, man. That is gorgeous. The auto is slightly faded on the G. Slightly faded on the G. That's it, though. The rest is gorgeous. No, true. I'm loving it, man. You're doing great. That's exactly what I want. Yeah, that's just a gorgeous auto. 5 out of 25, Geno. Let me check. Yep. All right, guys. 2 minis left. Good luck to everybody. I hope anybody that's getting skunked gets something for their troubles here. Hopefully we pull something monster in these last 2. Looks like a quad in here. Flip it over here. All right, AJ Green, orange. Montana, and a Canvas Collection Aikman. Canvas Collection Aikman. Oh, he signs at Eugene. Oh, yeah. Yep, I see it now. Okay, the quad is 2 Jacksonville Jaguars and 2 Texans. All right, we are all even on card, 2 teams to 2. So if either of these guys has extra teams, they will take it. That is Texans is Jason. 1 team for Jason. Chad, you have 3 teams. That's going to you with the Jags. So 4 teams to 2. Chad takes that card. 41 out of 75. And mark that down. We have 1 more card. I believe this last card is going to be autographed, guys. Should be an autographed relic. Bob, is that for you, the Patriots? Did you see that? Did you see the Shane Vereen you got in the first case? At least it's a nice card. At least you got that. All right, guys. Good luck. Very last pack. Very last pack. Oh my God. Wow, this is awesome. Kaepernick, orange. Some of them are stickers, Zach. Justin Hunter, Zach Ertz, and Joseph Randall. And this card is off the hook. Off the hook. Here it is, guys. There's the relic. This actually looks like it's an old school jersey of this player from back when he played for my team. Marshawn Lynch out of 25. No, it's a Pro Bowl jersey. Nice. I thought it was a Bills jersey. 5 out of 25. Marshawn Lynch for the Seattle Seahawks. Charles A. That is an unreal card. Look at that patch. 5 out of 25. Pro Bowl game used. Man, that is nice. Nice auto, too. Very nice auto. So Seattle Seahawks for Charles. Charles, you scored some points earlier, and that is a 6-point card. Auto, relic, and number to 25, 222. All right. Wow. Crazy, guys. This stuff is off the hook. Beast mode. That's right. He should have signed it Beast mode. That would have been sick. All right. Let me get this stuff off on the side, and then I'll do some single boxes for anybody that wants to hang around. I got all baseball stuff. Chrome, platinum. Yeah, the Bills definitely had the best break. The Kenny Stills, Zach. Kenny Stills was a sticker. But it's very, very hard to see the sticker. Very, very hard to see the sticker. All right, let me save.